Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I just wanted to show you something fun that I just got in the mail a couple of days ago. And this is a great add-on for my new mixer. This model here is the Revo Bake Titan Tilt 7.5 Pro. And this here is a little chill bag that goes around the bowl to keep your ingredients cool. I'm just going to get into this and show you what it is. Let's open this up. Oh, this looks nice. Very nice. So you'll just pop this into the freezer. All of the little compartments will freeze and then you are ready to go. So I'm just going to try this out and see how easily it gets on here. Just get it right around. Oh, this is nice. Very, very nice. So if you are having problems with your dough not staying cool enough, this is a great way to go. So I'm just going to bring that up. I'll just show it. I'll move this around so you can see how it attaches here. So it comes around like this. You have your Velcro here. There are two different areas for the Velcro. You just bring it around and then you just stick it here. And because Revo Bake does have different models, some of them are larger, that's why you have two different areas. So I'm just going to lock that in. Look at that. So you got two ways to lock that in. And look at that. That is really, really nice. So that is a good little add-on for this mixer. So that's it for this really fast video. I just wanted to quickly show you one of the add-ons that you can get for this mixer. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.